The Bombay High Court Goa bench has ordered government hospitals to invite fresh tenders to provide security services within a period of 8 weeks. Mr. Dattaram Sawant a writ petition in the High Court of Bombay in Goa complaining that a multinational agency known as G4S has committed a fraud by not paying taxes to the government and also not paying proper wages to the security guards employed by the said company. He also said the G4S company employees have a criminal background and that the license of the company should be cancelled.
ज्यावेळी आपले विरोधी पक्षनेते होते त्यांना माहीत होतं की मी पिटिशन घातलेलं आहे. त्यांनी असेंब्लीमध्ये याच्याबद्दल पुष्कळ आवाज केला. त्यांना मी अनऑफिशियली सुद्धा कळवलं होतं की मी पिटिशन घातलेलं आहे आणि माझ्याजवळ पुष्कळसे त्यांचे प्रूफ आहे, मी तुम्हाला देतो. पण त्यांच्याने आमच्याकडे मागण्याची कोशिश केली. आम्ही पण त्यांना सोडून दिलं. पण तेच मनोहर पर्रिकर आता काय हे करत नाही त्या सिक्युरिटीच्या मागं. माझे निवेदन हे आहे की ही जी सिक्युरिटी आहे ह्याचे टोटली याचं कुठंच हे होत नाही, म्हणजे ऑडिट होत नाही, कारण ती रजिस्टर नाही, टॅक्स पे करत नाही, सर्व्हिस टॅक्स पे करत नाही. मी ज्यावेळी विचारल्याच्या नंतर राईट टू इन्फॉर्मेशन ॲक्टमध्ये त्यांना माध्यमातून विचारल्याच्या नंतर त्यांनी गेल्या म्हणजे 2011च्या सप्टेंबरमध्ये ऑगस्टमध्ये एका महिन्याचं 3 करोड रुपये त्यांनी सर्व्हिस टॅक्स ते पण सेंट्रलला भरलेलं आहे, गुडगावला.
The Vasco railway station has recently been awarded as the best maintained railway station. Besides this, it has also been awarded the 57 Railway Week Award.
You have been awarded for a best maintained station. Would you briefly explain what type of award is this second award?
Thank you. First of all, this is an award instituted by the Divisional Railway Manager of Hubli Division. So our station is selected as the best maintained station among the all major railway stations of Hubli Division. So earlier we were given the best maintained station status among the all major stations of Hubli Railway Zone. So this is an award instituted by the Divisional Railway Manager of Hubli Division for the best maintained station among all major stations of Hubli Division. Earlier we were given the best maintained station award by General Manager of Southwestern Railway among the major stations of Southwestern Railway Zone. So this is an achievement for our station as well as Vasco City, because this could be achieved with the cooperation of all the railway staff as well as the cooperation from the travelling public who were behaving in a responsible way in the platform, and with their cooperation we could maintain the station in a better way. I am thanking all the railway passengers as well as the railway staff for achieving this award.
Do you think that the station needs some further upgradation in terms of cleanliness or passenger facility?
The cleanliness is concerned, we have already outsourced the work to the outside agency and they are doing a very good job. Further upgradation of the station all depends on the decisions by the railway division and zone.
With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching In Goa for more updates. Goodbye. The Goa Carom Association will be organizing the 13th West Zone Carom Championship jointly with the Sports Authority of Goa under the auspices of All India Carom Federation from 11 to 13 May 2012. The said championship will be played on the premises of Bal Bharati Vidya Mandir, Rabandar, a school which is eventually celebrating its golden jubilee year. In this championship, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Vidarbha, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and host Goa will be participating. The opening ceremony will be held on 11th May 2012 at 9:30 am in the presence of Shri Ramesh Tawalkar, Minister of Sports, and Dilip Parulekar, Minister for Tourism, and Shri Elvis Combs, Executive Director of Sports Authority of Goa.
Good afternoon. As the Secretary of Bal Bharati Vidya Mandir Golden Jubilee celebrations, I welcome Goa 365 and in Goa for this press conference for the simple reason that we had organized so many activities, and the 37th activity we are organizing as a part of Golden Jubilee celebration is 13 West Zone Carom Championships, wherein 6 states one of the states being Goa are participating. The other 5 states are Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Vidarbha and Maharashtra. So I have a view in mind that the reason for conducting this West Zone Championship here is I want the name of my school, Balbharti Vidya Mandir, to be on the map of India, which has gone because we have organized 2 other West Zone. One was Postal Conference and one was some educational program of West Zone, and this happens to be the 3rd, which is West Zone Carom Championships. So I would like the president, because we are organizing this in collaboration with Goa Carom Association, All India Carom Federation and Sports Authority of Goa.
In this championship, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Vidarbha and West Goa will be participating. Altogether, 102 players will be participating. All the states have confirmed their participation and they will be coming on 10th morning. Out of this, as per the last year setting, in main team event, Maharashtra, Vidarbha and Gujarat is the 3rd one. In women teams, Maharashtra, Vidarbha and 3rd is the Goa. And Pankaj Pawar of Maharashtra was the championship in last year, and Imran Sheikh of Gujarat. Though Pankaj Pawar is not represented today in this championship because he has represented India in the Sri Lanka test is going on, Carom test. So in this we can have a good look at the Riyaz Akbar Ali, Maharashtra, who is former state championship and first seeded, as well as Wasim Sheikh of Maharashtra. In ladies, Maitra Gokte and Mayuri Bhamare, which are the junior upcoming bidder. In part of Goa, in women's team, we have it is Sarita Chari, one, and Pankaj Pujan Makwana. These are the 2 which have won, and then Malini Chari, who have won the 3rd place last year. On 11th May at 9:30, the opening ceremony will be held in the presence of Sri Ramesh Tadwalkar, Honorable Minister for Sports, and then Sri Dilip Parulekar, Honorable Minister for Tourism, and in presence of Elvis Gomes, the Executive Director of SAC. And closing ceremony will be held on 13 at 6 p.m. in presence of Sripad Naik, Honorable MP.
Being President of Goa Carom Association, ex-past students of Balbharti, I am happy that this event has been held in my school during Golden Jubilee year. And I hope that colleagues, committee member and all others will cooperate us to conduct this tournament successfully. At the same time, I hope our Goa team will achieve one of the championship with all cooperation of students and my village people. I hope that this tournament will be successfully organized.
This we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching In Goa for more updates. Goodbye.